If you're looking for businesses to start with just 10,000 naira, then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, I'll be listing 5 businesses that you can start with just 10,000 naira in your account. Yes, especially if you're in Nigeria, you can start this business with just 10,000 naira. So number one on my list is a liquid soap business. You see this business, it will not die because there are a lot of people that need liquid soap, especially to wash their clothes, to wash their plate, and to do general cleanup. The business is actually very good, and you don't need so much to start up this business. You just need a little to get up the resources you need to do your liquid soap. So if you have just 10,000 naira, you might want to consider this business. All you have to do is just buy the basic ingredients. You can start in a small quantity, and then you buy your bottles, which are not expensive, and just package your thing and go and sell. So if you're on a budget, you might want to consider this business. And this business is actually very good though, because if you go to schools, there's not all the students that can afford the big brands. They will buy from you. You can supply to even normal primary school, to their cleaners and all of that. You can just advertise to them and make money from this business. And number two is for you to sell digital courses. Yes, you can look for courses that are online that you can resell, and just package it and make it a journal or a textbook, and you can just sell it. You advertise yourself on Facebook, and just when you get in the good number of followers, you advertise it to them and you sell to them. You don't need to even do too much in this particular business. You don't need to spend so much. All you have to do is just to buy data. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for another way to make money, is for you to sell digital products. And then we also have drop shipping. Yes, this particular business is very easy to do. All you have to do is to look for a supplier or someone that sells products in bulk, and ask them to send you images of their products. Just talk to them, they'll send you the products, the images of the product or the videos of the product, and you just have to advertise. So all you have to spend is just your 10,000 naira. Spend your money for data, sorry, just buy data, and you keep uploading. And then you can just use part of the money to get maybe your nylon. If you want to make it branded, fine, but if you're just starting out, I would advise not to get branded nylon first. When you are not big, then you can get a branded nylon. So you can just get your nylon and supply to your customers when they need it, in case they want you to deliver to them physically. Yes, you can use your nylon. And most times, if some of your customers don't want you to deliver it physically, if they want dispatch, you can just tell your supplier to just help you deliver the product without their own branded nylon. There's not allow them to use their branded nylon, so that when they supply it, it saves you the cost of going to their shop to get the product and going to supply it. So it's very easier for you that way to also make your money. And online, most people tend to buy a lot of things online, so you definitely sell. So if you are on a budget, or you just have 10,000 naira, you might want to consider job shipping. Another business you can do with 10,000 naira is the plantain chips business. You see this particular business, especially when plantain is in season, you actually make a lot of money, because a lot of people likes plantain chips. Plantain is very sweet. So if you are on a budget, maybe you have just 10,000 naira, you might want to get plantain and learn how to make plantain chips. It's actually very easy to do. You can watch so many videos on YouTube and just learn how to make plantain chips and go and sell. Children love plantain chips. Or you go to a school area, or maybe the market, and just advertise to people there. You actually sell. And if you want to do a little bit of packaging, you may just package it in this branded nylon and take it to supermarkets to go and advertise to them. You see, when you advertise to them and they like your plantain chips because it is good, to actually help you, because now they will buy in bulk and they will be selling, and you just have to keep supplying to them. You make a lot of money from plantain cheese business. And we also have the parfait business. Starting a parfait business is very easy, and learning how to make parfait is very easy. You just need to get your yogurt and your fruit, and that's all. Just learn how to make your parfait. The same way you're supplying a supermarket for your plantain chips business, you can also supply to supermarket for your parfait business. And parfait sells very well. It sells very well. So you just the little 10,000 naira you have, you just get your fruit, get your yogurt, and get those plastic cups you can just use to sell to your customers. And they are not really expensive. You even have change. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for another business, then the parfait business is also a good idea. So those are the businesses I believe you can start with 10,000 naira. So if you're on a budget, you might want to consider these businesses. So let me know what other business you know. Let me know in the comment section, and what business you want to start, or maybe you started already. Let me know in the comment section. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share it with your friends. So see you in my next video. Bye.